Ever wondered why sweet potatoes are considered the healthiest carb? A question that's been simmering in the minds of health enthusiasts and food lovers alike. Sweet potatoes, a humble vegetable often overlooked in the grand scheme of our dietary plans, but holds a reputation that's hard to ignore. Are they just a tastier alternative to regular potatoes, or is there more to the story? There's a myriad of perceptions about this vibrant orange tuber. Some see it as a superfood, while others simply view it as a holiday treat. But what if I told you that there are surprising facts about sweet potatoes that might just change the way you see them? From their rich nutritional content to the numerous health benefits they offer, there's a lot to discover about these delicious gems. But are they really the healthiest carb out there? That's a question worth exploring. Stay tuned to uncover the truth about sweet potatoes. So, what makes sweet potatoes such a nutritional powerhouse? Let's start with fiber. Sweet potatoes are chock full of this essential nutrient, which aids in digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full, making them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. A medium-sized sweet potato contains about 4 grams of fiber. That's nearly 15% of your daily recommended intake. Next up is vitamin A. When it comes to this nutrient, sweet potatoes are a real champion. Just one serving can provide over 300% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a great source of vitamin C, not something you'd expect from a root vegetable. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that fights free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and potentially lowering your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. Sweet potatoes also pack in some important minerals. One of these is manganese, a trace mineral that's essential for growth, metabolism, and the body's antioxidant system. A single serving of sweet potatoes provides about 28% of your daily manganese needs. And let's not forget about the other nutrients present in sweet potatoes. They're a good source of B vitamins like B6 and pantothenic acid, which are crucial for brain development and overall cell health. Plus, they contain a decent amount of potassium, which is vital for heart health and muscle function. So, in essence, every bite of sweet potato you take is packed with nutrients that support your health in various ways, from your eyes to your gut, your skin to your heart. They're not just a tasty side dish, they're a versatile, nutrient-dense food that can play a key role in a balanced, healthy diet. As you can see, the humble sweet potato is quite the nutritional superstar. Now that we've unpacked the nutritional content, let's delve into the health benefits. Sweet potatoes are a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's start with the immune system. Packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, sweet potatoes help shield our bodies from harmful free radicals and bolster our immune defenses. Moving on, sweet potatoes are also a friend to our gut. Their high fiber content aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut environment. That's right, these bright orange tubers help keep things moving smoothly in our digestive tract, reducing the risk of constipation and diverticulosis. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a boon for weight management. Surprised? While they are indeed a carbohydrate, they are a complex one. This means they release energy slowly, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Furthermore, their high fiber content adds bulk to your diet without adding extra calories. This can help control overeating, making sweet potatoes a smart choice for those watching their weight. Let's not forget about heart health. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in your diet. They also contain vitamin B6, which helps break down a substance called homocysteine that contributes to hardening of the arteries and blood vessels. Thus, including sweet potatoes in your diet can help keep your heart ticking along nicely. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a good source of manganese, a mineral that helps produce collagen and promote skin and bone health. And with their high vitamin A content, they can also aid in maintaining healthy vision and skin. Finally, for those with diabetes, sweet potatoes can be a good choice. Their high fiber content and low glycemic index mean they can help control blood sugar levels and prevent sugar spikes. The health benefits of sweet potatoes truly are impressive, aren't they? You may be wondering, how do sweet potatoes stack up against other carbs? Well, let's dive in. When it comes to carbohydrates, there's a veritable smorgasbord of options out there. White potatoes, rice, pasta, the list goes on. But how do these staple carbs compare to our star player, the sweet potato? First up, white potato. They're a beloved classic, whether mashed, fried, or baked. But in the nutrition department, sweet potatoes take the lead. While both offer a good dose of carbs, sweet potatoes shine with their higher fiber content and lower glycemic index. This means they're less likely to spike your blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for those watching their glucose. Next, rice. Whether brown or white, rice is a staple in many diets worldwide. However, when compared to sweet potatoes, rice falls a bit short. Sweet potatoes pack a powerful punch of vitamins A and C, and they even beat out brown rice in the fiber game. Now, pasta. The comfort food of champions. While pasta does provide a solid hit of carbs, it generally lacks the variety of nutrients found in sweet potatoes. And like white potatoes, pasta tends to have a higher glycemic index, making sweet potatoes the better choice for stable energy release. So, you see, when we put sweet potatoes head to head with other popular carbs, they reign supreme, not just for their carb content, but for their nutritional profile as a whole. They offer a balance of carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins that other carbs just can't match. And let's not forget, they're absolutely delicious too. In this game of carbs, sweet potatoes don't just participate, they dominate. They offer a unique combination of taste, texture, and nutrition that sets them apart from the rest. So, when it comes to health, sweet potatoes certainly hold their own against other carbs. They're not just a side dish, they're a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Excited about sweet potatoes and want to eat more of them? Here's how. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. For breakfast, you could try making a sweet potato toast. Simply slice a sweet potato lengthwise, toast it, and then top it with your favorite spreads or toppings. It's a fantastic gluten-free alternative to regular bread. For lunch, you might consider making a sweet potato salad. Dice and roast sweet potatoes, then toss them with other salad ingredients like leafy greens, nuts, and a vinaigrette of your choice. It's a hearty and nutritious meal that's sure to keep you satisfied throughout the day. When dinner rolls around, how about a sweet potato curry? The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes pairs perfectly with spicy curry flavors, making for a comforting and wholesome dish. And let's not forget dessert. Sweet potato brownies, anyone? The natural sweetness and moist texture of sweet potatoes make them an excellent ingredient for healthier desserts. Now let's talk about preparation. To get the most nutritional benefits from sweet potatoes, it's best to eat them with the skin on. The skin is packed with fiber and other nutrients. However, make sure to wash the skin thoroughly before cooking to remove any dirt or bacteria. When it comes to cooking methods, baking or steaming sweet potatoes is preferable to boiling. Boiling can cause some of the nutrients to leach out into the water, but no matter how you cook them, remember, the goal is to keep the cooking time, temperature, and amount of liquid to a minimum to retain the most nutrients. Of course, these are just a few suggestions. Feel free to get creative and experiment with sweet potatoes in your own recipes. They're a fantastic way to add a nutritional boost to any meal. With these tips, you can easily make sweet potatoes a staple in your diet. Despite their benefits, there are some common myths about sweet potatoes. Let's debunk these misconceptions one by one, shall we? First off, the notion that sweet potatoes are fattening. This is a common myth that discourages many from incorporating this nutritious tuber into their diets. The truth is, sweet potatoes are low in calories and high in fiber. They're a great source of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy without causing spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals. So if you're worried about your waistline, rest assured that sweet potatoes can be a healthy part of your meal plan. Next up, the belief that sweet potatoes are only for Thanksgiving. Sure, they're a staple on many holiday tables, but there's no reason to limit them to once a year. Sweet potatoes are versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways all year round. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even turn them into fries. They're just as fantastic in a summer salad as they are in a cozy winter stew. So don't save these nutrient-dense gems just for the holidays. There's also this misconception that all sweet potatoes are sweet. While it's true that some varieties have a naturally sweet flavor, others are more starchy and savory. The diversity of sweet potatoes makes them a great addition to any dish, whether you're craving something sweet or savory. Lastly, the myth that sweet potatoes and yams are the same thing. Although they're often used interchangeably in grocery stores, sweet potatoes and yams are not the same. They come from different botanical families and have different nutritional profiles. Sweet potatoes are usually softer and sweeter, while yams are more starchy and dry. So there you have it, the truth about sweet potatoes. They're not fattening, they're not just for Thanksgiving, they're not always sweet, and no, they're not yams. So go ahead and enjoy sweet potatoes in all their delicious, nutritious glory. So, are sweet potatoes the healthiest carb? The answer might surprise you. We've delved into the nutritional content of this vibrant root vegetable, highlighting its rich profile of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. We've compared sweet potatoes to other carbs, underscoring how they can offer a healthier, more nutrient-dense choice. We've also explored the numerous health benefits of sweet potatoes, from supporting digestive health to boosting our immune system. Plus, we've debunked some common myths, proving that sweet potatoes can indeed be a part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, while it's crucial to maintain a varied diet for optimal health, sweet potatoes certainly earn their place as a highly nutritious carb. They provide a wholesome, flavorful addition to our meals, contributing to our overall well-being. So, keep incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals, and enjoy their myriad benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Until next time, keep eating healthy. Dive right into a morning treat with these vibrant sweet potato pancakes. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and the natural sweetness of the humble sweet potato. So, let's get started. First things first, select a large sweet potato. The larger the potato, the more pancakes you'll be able to make. Now peel this orange delight. Once it's peeled, it's time to grate it. Use a box grater for this task and watch as your sweet potato transforms into a vibrant orange mountain of goodness. Next, it's time to add some friends to the mix. Grab a bowl and combine your grated sweet potato with 2 eggs. These eggs will act as a binding agent for our pancakes, holding all the ingredients together. Now add a half cup of flour to give your pancakes some body and structure. Finally, to make these pancakes truly sing, add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. This will give your pancakes a warm, aromatic flavor that pairs perfectly with the sweet potato. Now, let's bring some heat into the equation. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. The oil will ensure our pancakes don't stick to the pan and will give them a nice, crispy exterior. Once the oil is hot, it's time to introduce our sweet potato mixture to the pan. Scoop spoonfuls of the mixture into the pan and flatten them with a spatula. Allow them to cook until they become golden brown, a sign that they're cooked through and developing a delicious crispy crust. Flip your pancakes and repeat on the other side. Finally, it's time to serve up these golden delights. Serve your sweet potato pancakes hot, drizzled with a touch of honey or maple syrup. The sweetness of the syrup contrasts beautifully with the savory sweet potato, creating a flavor sensation that's sure to delight. And there you have it. Sweet, wholesome, and delicious sweet potato pancakes to kickstart your day. Stay tuned for more exciting sweet potato recipes coming your way. For a healthier snack alternative, try these crispy sweet potato fries. Are you ready to step into the world of scrumptious, guilt-free snacking? Let's get started. The first step towards your crunchy delight is to preheat your oven. Set the temperature to a toasty 200 degrees Celsius. This will give your fries the perfect crunch, with a soft and fluffy interior. While your oven is warming up, let's move on to the star of the show, sweet potatoes. You'll need 2 large ones for this recipe. Slice them into thin strips, as evenly as possible. The uniformity in size helps in even cooking, ensuring each fry gets its fair share of heat and turns out perfectly crispy. Once you have your sweet potato strips ready, it's time to add some flavor. Take a large bowl and toss these strips with a tablespoon of olive oil. This will not only help the fries cook evenly, but also add a subtle richness to the taste. Now, to spice things up a bit, add a teaspoon of paprika. This will give your fries a mild, smoky flavor that complements the sweetness of the potatoes perfectly. Finally, a pinch of salt for that beautiful balance of flavors. Now that your fries are all dressed up and ready to go, spread them onto a baking tray. Remember, they need their space, so lay them out in a single layer. This will ensure that each fry gets evenly cooked and there's no soggy fry hiding underneath. Patience is key now. Let the oven do its magic for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the fries are crispy. And there you have it, your very own homemade crispy sweet potato fries. Serve them hot, straight from the oven, with your favorite dipping sauce. Whether it's a spicy ketchup or a tangy aioli, these fries are sure to impress. Enjoy these guilt-free, crispy, and flavorful sweet potato fries anytime you crave a snack. Now, who said healthy can't be delicious? For a satisfying side dish, try this creamy sweet potato mash. Begin with 2 sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed, and boil them until they're tender enough to easily pierce with a fork. Once they've reached this stage, drain the water, and it's time to mash. You can use a fork or a potato masher, depending on what you have on hand. Once you've mashed to your preferred consistency, it's time to add the flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of butter, a generous splash of milk, and season with salt and pepper to taste. The butter and milk give it a creamy texture and richness, while the salt and pepper bring out the sweet, earthy flavor of the sweet potatoes. Serve it hot, right alongside your favorite main course. Whether it's a juicy steak, grilled chicken, or even a vegetarian option, this creamy sweet potato mash is sure to enhance any meal with its rich and comforting flavors.